Hi guys, today's day 37 of Intraday Backtesting. Today's date is 1st October, first trading session of this month, and we took in a bank nifty and we ended up in profit of 75 points. So let me share the analysis with you guys. So before that, I will just move this to 1 hour. So if you see, it was taking support here. This was the opening candle, it opened a gap down, and this was the opening candle, and it exactly took support here. So let's go to 1 minute now. So the blue zone was acting as a resistance. So if you see, it was the only resistance that I can find, because it was taking support yesterday, so it will act as resistance now. Apart from that, I cannot this is also a resistance, but it's like very far away from the current level. So let me back to 1 minute. So our resistance zone and trend line support, everything got placed, and it opened a gap down. It was kind of a flag pattern, wedge pattern. It was going nicely upwards. I didn't take any trade. I was expecting to take short after touching this resistance, and if I could find any breakdown, and I didn't find anything, and then I got a breakdown here. This was a nice breakdown, this black one. So I didn't just enter right away here. As we discussed yesterday, I was just waiting for a good retracement. So what I did is, by the way, this was the major line. If you say this was a breakdown, sorry, it was a breakdown, but this was the zone which it was going up and down. So I thought of expecting after a breakdown. I thought this will go somewhere here and then it will fill other again, but it didn't went as I expected. Just fell all the way down. So I was just waiting for a nice entry so that I can keep my stop loss nicely. So what I did is I took the trade exactly at this level. So after breakdown, it took support here, and I could see 0.382% rejection zone. If you see these both candles, and I took trade exactly at 1118, I guess 1117. So yeah, this candle. Let me zoom in as well. So breakdown happened, it took support, and I was waiting for a good level to enter. So this was acting as 0.382%. So I took nicely, expecting this level exactly, because it broke 0.32, and it was kind of giving like falling again. So what I thought is, let me remove this as well. So what I thought is, it was breakdown and a retracement and back-to-back red candles and 0.32% level. So I just thought it would go like this. I mean, I took exactly at this level, but it didn't. It went little like quite good momentum on the top. I got bit afraid because I took break with this breakout, but didn't take this breakout, and expected it would fall further, but it didn't. So also, as we discussed, this level, whenever the 0.68% breaks, there is a likely chance to uh, there are likely chance to change the trend. So if you see, after breakout, after down, it all actually break at 0.682 level. My entry was here, and it break 0.682 618 level. So I thought it was not I thought it would be going to hit our stop loss. And what happened is, then if after that it fell again. It was like nice momentum. It fell almost like 100 points, and then again it reversed. So it was quite I was quite scared, because it was just going up and down, and later I and again it tried. If you see, first time it broke this level, second time it tried but it reversed, and third time even it tried like 0.618 level. I thought of exiting position in case if it was breaking again, because anyway it's like there is no point in holding this trade. So by the time this also got broke, so exactly it took this level, it took 0.6818 level and rejected. So and then we got our profit, then we got our targeted. My take profit was somewhere around this level. So this level, I'll show you in future chart. I took at 11.17 and I kept stop loss usual than the higher, because my stop loss was 75 but I took 90 points. The reason was, in case if I have kept 75 it would be a tight stop loss. So I just kept 90 points and thinking to trail whenever it reaches 80%, and my take profit was this zone as I shown in the spot chart. This was the first support, so that's just take kept my target here, usual 75 points. But before trailing, it already took our target, so it just didn't trail. And one thing I what I before the problem with the before taking trade before breakdown was this thing. I thought it would take breakout, but I didn't. So it gave just like a quick momentum, which is scared out of us. But if you see, it actually um, took a breakout here, this level, and retraced and then fall. So if you put, it would be another rejection area, this zone. So first we took entry around this level, thinking it will fall further, but it gave break. It went further upwards. It break out. Then this level would have been the nice level to take entry, because it it gave breakout. And let's see with the retracement also, 0.618 as we discovered. We could have we wouldn't have taken a 0.6. We probably would take at this level 0.15, but still the stop loss would have been not like this 90 points. And it fell nicely, then it started recovering and more of like a sideways thing. Anyway, our target got it, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching.